Hi guys, this is Arpita Tulsyan here. I hope you all are doing good. Uh, okay, so I'm here to share you the information about the 11th edition of the CA Final Law book for the November 23 examinations. Yes, the books are available now on our website. Just to give you the information about the contents of the book, the coverage of the book, and why this book. Let me just brief you about the same. So, this book is divided into 4 volumes. Okay, volume 1 is going to be the content book of company law, okay, which contains the theory of company law. Volume 2 is going to be the content book for economic laws and securities law, that is, economic laws and SEBI. Volume 3 is going to contain all your subjective question answers of the entire law, and volume 4 is going to contain the MCQs of entire law. Okay, so this is how we have divided the entire syllabus into, or entire your book into such 4 volumes. Now, if I talk from content point of view, everything which is relevant for your examinations, that is for your November 23 examinations, everything is covered therein. Okay, when I talk about the question answers, all the possible question answers from the ICAI resources, plus the the mock papers which were applicable for your last May 23 examinations, RTP till May 23 examinations have been incorporated in your books. Everything has been incorporated, and the answers have also been amended as per the relevant provisions. Similar thing applies for your MCQs also. Everything from your ICI resources, mock papers have MCQs. We have taken that also. Both one-liner MCQs are also covered, as well as case study based MCQs are also covered. Plus, ICAI had released that case studies booklet. Even that is incorporated in your book chapter wise. Yes, so this is how your entire coverage has been kept in mind while designing the book, right? And along with that, yes, all the relevant amendments which are there for November 23 examinations, everything is included in the book. If suppose the ICI notifies something plus minus in the relevant amendments applicable for the November 23 examinations, then definitely, as always, I'm going to give you the information about the same, like what extra is to be done or what is not to be done, extra, etc. That I'll be providing it to you once the ICI comes up with that thing. And let me just give you a glimpse of the book once. So this is the thing that you can see here on the board. This is your volume 1, as I told you. This is the content book for company law applicable for the November 23 examinations. And here we have included your index is there. Chapter wise index as per your ICI module, that is there. Weightage of my marks bifurcation that has been asked in the exam chapter wise, that has been included here. And then from here starts your content. Okay, so whatever are the important words that you have to remember, etc., that is given here in red. Whatever will be the amendments, etc., that will be given in green in your book, right? And the normal content is given here in black. So this is how your book has been designed, and at the end of every chapter we have got the important penalties and punishments, whatever are there, that you need to remember. And wherever applicable, the summary of important forms is given. Like in this particular chapter we have got that, so summary of that is given at the end. And yes, at the end of every particular chapter we have tried to incorporate the super quick revision tables for each and every chapter. Okay, so that once you're done with that particular chapter, it becomes very simple for you to revise from those tables. Yes, so this is how it has been done. In the same manner, your volume 2 has been made, that is economic laws and securities law. And yes, I'll also show you the volume 3, that is the subjective question answers book. I hope you can see here. Yes, subjective question answers. I'll just show it to you. Okay, so this is the index, same way. And then yes, in this format, we have given you the question answers. Okay, besides every question, the source of that particular question has been written, with which you'll be able to understand like how many times it has been asked and all those things. In answers, the wordings of the ICI has been retained so that you know how to write the answers and what they expect. And besides the questions, we have also done the marking of must do question. This is as per me. Okay. Yes, definitely this marking can change from student to student, but these are the general important questions which I have marked here. Right, so this is the way in which the entire book, in the same manner the entire book has been designed here. Yes, this was your subjective question answers. I'll also show you the MCQ book, that is your volume number 4. So in your MCQ book, again you've got the index, and then yes, see, just like this, you've got the one liner MCQs, direct MCQs coming up here. And then I'll also show you the case study based. Now see, this is the case study based MCQ, which is on foreign companies chapter and FEMA, means 2 chapters combined together there was. So these type of questions are also included here. Okay, so single one liner MCQs, case study based MCQs, everything have been included here. I hope I'm very, very clear with this. Yes, so this is how your entire book has been designed. Yes, so considering the coverage, you will not be required to hop from one material to another material, because everything is included here, properly amended for the November 23 examinations. And yes, all I would say is a one-stop solution for CA Final Law. This book can be purchased from our website. Along with this book, we have also got the video lectures for the November 23 examinations for law. That is your regular lectures, fast track lectures, English lectures, Hindi plus English lectures. All these versions are available on the website. And yes, along with that, also the elective paper 6D book. If you want to purchase the book is also available, which is nothing but the compilation of the ICI material, and also the lectures are available. All these things, books, lectures, if at all you are interested to purchase, you can check out our website, that is arpitatulsyan.com, and on that particular website you will get all the details regarding the same. Yes, the website is here for you on the board, that is arpitatulsyan.com. You can go to this website and check out the book and the lectures. Thank you so much. I wish you all the very best for your examination.